In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Sheets and Excel data into Notion, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Before we dive into Notion, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your spreadsheet is prepared. Whether you're using Google Sheets or Excel, it's important to have your data organized and ready for export. This means reviewing your headers and ensuring that everything is clear and aligned in a way that makes sense for import. Now, if you're using Google Sheets, the next step is to navigate to the File menu at the top of your screen. Once you're there, hover over Download, and a submenu will appear. You'll want to select comma-separated values. Current Sheet. This will download your entire Google Sheet as a CSV file, which is the format Notion needs for import. For those of you using Excel, the process is slightly different, but equally straightforward. Head over to File, then click on Save As. From there, you'll see an option to choose the file type. You'll want to select CSV, delimited. This will also save your spreadsheet in a format that's compatible with Notion. With your CSV file now ready, it's time to open Notion. You'll need to create a new page for your data import. Once you're on this fresh page, direct your attention to the 3 dots typically located in the upper right corner. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu. In this menu, you'll see an Import option. Clicking on this will prompt another menu where you can select CSV. You can now upload the CSV file that you just downloaded or saved. Notion makes it quite intuitive as it prompts you to map the CSV columns to the corresponding Notion properties. This is an important step because it ensures that the data from your spreadsheet is linked correctly to the properties within your Notion page. Names to names, dates to dates, notes to notes, and so on. If you've structured your spreadsheet well, this should be a smooth process. Finally, after mapping, make sure to adjust any property types as needed. Notion provides flexibility, allowing you to specify whether a column is text, a number, a date, or even a checkbox. Tailoring these settings will ensure that your data behaves correctly in Notion, letting you leverage all of Notion's powerful organizational capabilities. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully uploaded your Google Sheets or Excel data into Notion. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to integrate data more efficiently into your Notion workspace. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.